What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Man, is it good to be back. This year has been crazy. 2020 has been nothing short of a shit show, but here we are, guys. Of course, I had to cover another video. Before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, but as you guys know, LaFlame, Cactus Jack, Travis Scott, the man himself, straight up. Alright, I'll never do that again, but the man went ahead and dropped us, blessed on us, another merch drop. This time it's for his Cactus Trails trading company. I wanted to go ahead and, dive into this 38 item merch drop, and mainly this was to do with the Air Max 270 Cactus Trails right here. Everybody wasn't sure if they were going to actually shock drop, but I'm pretty sure for his last few drops he hasn't been doing that anymore, so unfortunately your only chance to cop is Sneakers app, and we all know how that goes. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and examine these for you guys and see how they're doing the day before the drop. Of course, I had to head on over to the devil, aka StockX, and as you can see, most prices are hovering anywhere from like 600 to 700 right now. I think after release these will end up going for about 400 to 450 maybe. Honestly, it just depends on how frustrating it is and how limited it is. The retail price isn't too bad on these 270s, with the retail being 170 as you can see here. Like I said, the ability for profit shouldn't be too hard if you decide to actually resell these. Me personally, I'm not too big on them. I don't know what the deal was. I feel like they just gave Travis a blank slate and said, hey, just design as many sneakers as you want because we know it's going to sell out. Before I go any further, let me know what you guys think about these Air Max 270s in the comments and if you'd actually rock them. Just until the last few days ago, these were actually all going for over $1,000 as you can see, and now the day before the release miraculously dropped before 600, so those pairs are getting backdoored. I wanted to go ahead and actually look at the rest of the sizes and see how they were doing. I saw earlier today that they were like, they were going for like 400 in a size 5 already. Honestly, I could see Resale dipping down that low once the hype kind of dies down. Similarly, the Jordan 6 that we cooked, as you can see here, it never really reached those numbers like the Jordan 1 did or anything like that, so I really wonder if it's just on the appeal. There's not much branding on these 270 Air Maxes that really show off that it's Cactus Jack, other than on the actual pull tab, so I don't know. But I wanted to go ahead and dive into some of this merch and show it off for you guys in case you decide to cop, and of course it takes a couple weeks to ship and then you have to come back and you want to see what it looks like. Now, one of the first pieces of merch I wanted to check out is one of the t-shirts because he looks like he has some new logo branding and it looks like they're on the back. Now, as most Travis pieces, you guys can see this is going to take some time to ship, anywhere from like 4 to 8 weeks from what I've heard. But like I said, I wanted to mainly go ahead and look at this new logo, Cactus Trails. What do you guys think, man? I feel like it's like a little play on, his previous logo at the top and the cross, but let me know in the comments if you actually dig this and what you think of the new direction with all of this branding. So in addition to checking out the new logo, this is something that came up about a week ago when Travis initially teased this merch. This is the website that he put up for this Cactus Trails trading company. Honestly, it's a super big throwback to like 90s web browsers, early 2000s. I don't know how young my viewers are, but yeah, I definitely remember when websites looked like this just a couple years ago. And also shout out to Travis for finally acknowledging the real Cactus Jack, my dog McFoley, yeet yeet. This guy was a legend. He was thrown off the cage by Undertaker. But yeah, this is what old websites used to look like. 1.5 million views so far. I'm surprised it's not more, honestly. If not more, I might have read that wrong. But yeah, this was just like a neat little website that Travis put together, or his people put together for this actual drop. Now, I want to just go ahead and highlight the rest of this drop for you guys, just kind of picking out one hoodie, one parka, or whatever the hell else is in this drop, just to kind of give you an idea of like how much he's pricing stuff for. I mean, I saw some gnarly items in there, so I'll go ahead and put in the description the rest, but yeah, let me know what you guys think and what pieces you actually dropped. Money's been kind of weird right now just because sneakers haven't been dropping as frequently, so I'm definitely going to still take my time and decide what pieces of merch I'm going to cop, but I think there's definitely some bangers in here, so let me know. Alright guys, so here's just a few of these accessories that Travis ended up dropping, including the sleeping bag right here. Only $80 and it takes 4 to 5 weeks. I don't know how much you guys get down with Mother Nature, but yeah, I guess that's something you could totally rock out here. Another thing is this portable hammock right here. It's got like that little bag thing on it, just like the secret pouches on the sneakers, the Jordan 1s, as you can see in this picture right here. And this last thing, looks like there's a pair of socks, 3 pairs of socks actually. They're not too bad, but $55 for the 3-pack. Arrives in 4 to 5 weeks as well. Let me know what you guys think, man. At this point, you could really have a whole wardrobe of just Cactus Jack stuff, which is honestly pretty cool. And yeah, next thing, moving on, another water bottle for $35. It's kind of fire, kind of pea colored, so I don't know how much I'd be using it, but in all seriousness, I think it's pretty clean. This bandana is also up here for $20, of course. You know, you could always rep Cactus Jack gang. Whatever the hell these are, boat keychains. I guess if you go boating, you know, let me touch the boat, let me drive the boat. And then I'm pretty sure there's also some kind of like thermometer or something like that. Oh, the compass. Yeah. So I just want to take these last few minutes, guys, to just talk about some stuff. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. As you can see, the country's insane. Rest in peace to George Floyd. Police brutality is on another level. I'm not really going to touch on it too much on this video, but I just want to hope that you guys are all doing safe. Hope that you guys are all okay, keeping safe, and just be vigilant, man. Times are crazy. Always have your phone out to record people, and I just wish you guys all the best, man. I hope that this year somehow, you know, gets better. I hope it will. That's all we can hope for, and thank you guys for cooking with us. New video soon. Stay safe and peace.